Hello friends, welcome back to English practice today. In the last lesson, Sarah and John met for the first time. They talked about their names and where they are from, their families, their hobbies like movies, books, and music, and also their daily routines, breakfast, and exercise. Today, let's continue with new questions and answers for daily life. Remember, the key to fluency is practice and repetition. Let's begin. Here's how it works. First, I'll ask a question. Then I'll give the answer. Then you should read the answer aloud. This is a simple but powerful way to improve your English. Before we start today's practice, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to like this video and turn on the notifications. That way you'll never miss a new English lesson. Now let's begin. What do you do for work? I work in an office, mostly on computers and reports. Do you enjoy your job? Yes, I like it because I can solve problems and help people. That's nice. Do you work alone? Not really. I work with a small team. We cooperate on different projects. Do you have many meetings? Oh yes, almost every day. Some are short, others feel endless. What time do you usually start? I usually start at 8 in the morning, right after breakfast. And when do you finish? I usually finish around 5, but sometimes I stay later. Do you take breaks at work? Yes, I take short breaks for water or coffee. And your lunch break? 1 hour, just enough time to eat and relax a little. Do you have a long commute to work? Not really, it takes about 20 minutes by car. Do you prefer working in the morning or in the afternoon? Definitely in the morning. I feel more focused. Do you study anything now? Yes, I'm taking a short course about project management. Do you like online classes? Yes, they are flexible and I can watch lessons anytime. Do you read a lot for your studies? Yes, I read articles and books to understand new ideas. Do you write reports for your classes? Yes, I write reports almost every week to practice my skills. Do you take notes while studying? Yes, it helps me remember important points. Sounds like a good routine. Do you use social media every day? Not every day, but I check Instagram and YouTube sometimes. Which one do you like more? I prefer Instagram because I like photos and short videos. Do you follow celebrities there? Yes, a few singers and actors that I admire. And you? Do you follow anyone interesting? Yes, I like following travel and food pages. Do you shop online? Yes, I buy clothes and electronics because it's convenient. Do you use delivery apps? Yes, when I don't want to cook dinner at home. Do you use your phone a lot? Yes, I use it for work, chatting, and entertainment. Do you text or call more? I text more because it's fast and easier than calling. Do you use video calls? Yes, especially for work meetings and talking with family. Do you check the weather on your phone? Yes, every morning before leaving home. Do you turn off your phone at night? Sometimes when I want to sleep early. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love visiting new countries and learning about cultures. Speaking of travel, do you travel often? Not very often, maybe once or twice a year. Do you prefer the beach or the mountains? The beach for sure. I love the sea and warm weather. Do you stay in hotels when you travel? Yes, usually in small hotels or guest houses with comfort. Do you take many photos on trips? Yes, I take many photos to remember the experience later. When you travel, do you try local food? Always. Food is the best way to learn about a culture. Do you plan your trips in advance? Yes, I usually organize tickets, hotels, and main activities before going. Do you like long trips? Yes, if I have time to rest and explore places. Do you travel alone or with friends? Usually with friends, but sometimes alone. Both are nice. Do you buy souvenirs when you travel? Sometimes I like small things like magnets or postcards. Do you use maps when exploring a new place? Yes, I use maps on my phone so I don't get lost. By the way, do you have any plans for next year? Yes, I'd like to travel more and learn something new. That's great. I hope you can make it happen. Thanks, Sarah. You know, it's getting late now. Oh, you're right. Time passed so fast. Yeah, I really enjoyed talking with you today. It was a pleasure to meet you. Same here, John. I hope we can talk again soon. See you next time. Me too. Take care and have a great evening. Great job. You practiced a full conversation with natural questions and answers in English. Repeat this video several times to improve your listening and speaking. Don't forget to like this lesson and subscribe to practice more English. See you in the next video.